My name is Dr. Wanli Young, and I'm a GP for SPCT or Salford Primary Care Together Willow Tree GP practice in Kersal. So we cover a wide range of anything really related to health, so anything from physical to mental to emotional health and well-being. So someone can come in with a sore leg that's not got any better, to panic attacks and depression and anxiety, to sexual health advice and contraception. We kind of cover a whole load of things related to health. So we generally are the first point of call, and we see a young person and we often have a good idea of what's going on, and we might give some simple advice or start some simple investigations or do some simple treatment, give prescriptions for things. If we feel that it might need a bit more of a specialist input, then we can make those referrals onto those specialists to get that advice or further tests that might be needed. So generally speaking, an appointment lasts in and around 10 minutes, so we've got to try and fit everything we can in. So most people try and do this in about one or two problems really. They won't take on a whole load of problems because you need just 10 minutes to do one problem properly. We'll ask a young person what the problem is, and then we'll ask some questions about what's led to the problem. We'll often ask the young person what they feel the cause of the problem is, so that we can marry that up and see if that fits in with what we think is going on as well, and then we'll try and explain things to them in a way that they understand. So it could be anything from any of the hospital services, like orthopedics if they're joint problems, to cardiologists like heart problems, to, if there's female problems, gynecologists that have kind of deeper down ladies problems, and then we can also refer into the mental health services if there's a need to for that, to see psychiatrists and psychologists. So if they come in and they speak to the receptionist can often guide them about how they can get their exemption forms filled out, and if we do need to do any stamping, they can speak to reception about that.